Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select what kinds of tasks we can see in board view in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project, let's say just test 1, and here in the project, if it opens up in the board view, it's good, but if not, in the top left corner we can just switch the view to board view, and yeah, now in the top right corner there's this little adjustment button, and here under the view settings section we find the tasks. We can just tap on this, and we can select what kind of tasks we want to see in the board view, which can be either incomplete, complete, or all. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.